You turned out pretty good.
Yeah, man, it's hot.
Women on motorcycles थोड़ी heavy है but ठीक है. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. Today is day 2 of riding this monstrosity of a machine. This is the ZX 10R, the 2021 edition. But I think I can safely say that I'm one of the first few people to be riding this machine in India at this point. So if any of your friends are looking for information on this motorcycle, then quickly share this video, comment, like, all of that, and follow me on Instagram at Bike with Girl. Location changed because our dear DOP was not happy with the Khandar going on at the back. I don't care because I feel like if wherever you get silence, we're in the middle of a lockdown. I'm in Bombay. We've got like strict curfews going on. So for me to find shoot locations, to be able to get out of the city is a very, very hard call to make because I'm not a journalist. I don't have a press card. I used to when I used to be a journalist. But now I'm just a freelancer slash content creator. So yeah. Today Harsh is alone. As you can see, I don't know if you can hear me because one of our team members is down with COVID and the other one's father is down with COVID. So he's the lone warrior who has still not got COVID. Please do not get COVID because we have to go to Dehradun on Monday. Mask on. I am not wearing my mask. I'm carrying it on me because there's nobody here. We found like pretty much of a Khandar space. So what is the new ZX 10R all about? So 998cc, inline 4, my favorite kind, and upgraded to BS6 norms, of course. When you first look at it, doesn't it look an awful lot like the H2? Remember the H2 that I rode a few months ago, actually a year ago, because I don't realize that with the lockdown that I have not really traveled in over a year now. So the fairing is new and I love it. It's got winglets on the front here for better downforce, Kawasaki claims, and it's also got a brand new tail section. So overall, this has got a whole new design language going on, and I love it. Cool, no? They look so good, yeah, these sunken in headlights. All of you Yamaha R1, R1M owners, doesn't the face have a bit of R1M, like a teeny bit? I don't know if you'll agree with me, but I think there is a teeny bit of R1M in this as well. Tell me in comments. Let me show you just how awesome this thing is in the first gear alone. Check this out. जब मैं आज सिटी में चला रही थी तो at one point I could just मुझे first gear से ऊपर जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी because the first gear can go up to 150 plus, which is nuts. Now I haven't been able to take it all the way to the limiter because I was on a really bumpy road yesterday, as you saw in the GoPro clip. But dude, 150 is nuts for the first gear. I'm going to say this, and I'm going to stick to the statement till something better comes along. But this is the best quick shifter I have ever experienced on a liter class motorcycle. I freaking shit you not. Like, there's clunky quick shifters, there's fidgety quick shifters, but this one right here is freaking malai. That's what it is. It really is. Don't laugh, Harsh. Don't laugh at my verbiage, okay? Okay, so let me give you an example. Yesterday when I was on the highway, this idiot suddenly swerved from his lane into my lane, and I had to go from that speed and cut down and slow down. And I just did something, and I could not feel the shifter going from 6 to 1. It had gone all the way from 6 to 1, and I didn't realize it. I just realized whoop, 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 whoop happening. I couldn't hear it because it was so loud and there was so much like noise happening on the highway. But today, आज जब मैं यहाँ तक चला रही थी, तो I was, every time I was downshifting or upshifting, I was looking at this freaking new TFT. Oh, by the way, this is a new TFT. I was looking at the TFT to kind of see that हाँ अभी shift हुआ है. That is literally how smooth the blips are.
अरे दीदी आज क्या मिलेगा ZX-10R में?
सर आज यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में मिलेंगे कॉर्नरिंग ABS, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, ऑप्शंस आते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे, राइडिंग मोड्स आते हैं जिसमें 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, उसमें भी कस्टमाइजेबल हैं, 3 जो हैं स्टॉक हैं, क्रूज कंट्रोल है, लॉन्च कंट्रोल है, स्टीयरिंग डैम्पर भी है सर. देखिए बहुत अच्छी स्टीयरिंग डैम्पर है. जब आपका टैंक स्लैपर आता है, जो मेरे साथ कल 2 बार हुआ, इट वाज लाइक अ टैंक चेम्बर थिंग एंड इट वाज काइंड ऑफ हिडन अवे इन ऑल द multiple little mounds on the road, and I hit it and wah happened, and the steering damper, it really calmed the handlebar down because it could have been really bad for me. This is also a brand new TFT, by the way. It's got some really cool functions. So that one of them is that you can swap between your normal display, which is this, to a race display. Check this out. That's your race mode, and it's giving you all your data for when you're on the track. So I'm gonna quickly just get out of here. So I'm gonna hit this, long press it. Okay, and we go to display. I'm in type 2. I want to go to type 1, and I'm going to select that.
हो गया.
Yeah! Also got throttle and brake input meters. This is me hitting the brake right now, and it's showing me how much brake. I don't know what purpose that serves, because when you're riding you don't like really look at how much input of brake you're giving, but cool function, why not? Like if I'm paying 18 lakhs for a motorcycle, then मुझे सब चाहिए, मैं सब उठा के लेके जाऊंगी, मुझे और चाहिए, कावासाकी मुझे और दो. चलो थोड़ा हंगामा करते हैं. So this is a titanium alloy exhaust. If you look closely, it's got like nice blueness happening on it. Now, while this is a really loud exhaust for this motorcycle already, stock में ही आपको मिल रहा है सब कुछ. I also feel that आप अगर 18 लाख की बाइक ले रहे हो, तो आपको मतलब थोड़ा और खर्चा करके Akrapovic या SC Project या whatever you feel like खरीद के इस पे डालना चाहिए, क्योंकि फिर तो you will go crazy about it. I love loud bikes. I know I'm bad. Sound pollution and all, but yeah, I love loud inline fours. This has got the SOA suspension. SOA. Okay. So this has got the Showa extension, really? This has got the Showa suspension. Yes, I said it. The earlier ZX-10R also had the Showa suspension, but this is tuned differently for sure. It is definitely firmer, and that is why after 2 days of riding this bike, my everything hurts. A lot. But then again, this is meant for the racetrack. Like, if you get a 10R, you're supposed to freaking go crazy at the racetrack. Yeah, you can ride in the city and show off and all of that, but the real fun comes when you take it to a racetrack. So if you're buying a big bike, make sure that you take it to a racetrack. Otherwise, you're missing out on more than 60, actually 80% of it. Though the turning radius on this motorcycle is so much better than most liter class motorcycles I've ridden till date. So apart from the fact that this is a scary, fast, incredibly luscious, beautiful monstrosity of a motorcycle, what makes me really happy is that there is no sari guard on this bike. And the best part also is that it's a single seater. So therefore no sari guard required. No requirement of a pillion, guys. Buy a bike and just ride it for yourself. Because when you put people behind, then it just kills the joy. I believe that a pillion kills the joy of riding a motorcycle. What do you say, Harsh?
Yeah, I don't even take a pillion on my Shine, man.
Awesome. ऐसे ही करना. So two color options in this and this. Personally, I love this. मुझे इससे प्यार हो गया. I want this. So the weight of this bike is 200 kgs. My weight is roughly 51-52 kgs. This is your seat height, 835 millimeters. My height is 5'5" and a half. So it is definitely a tippy toe situation. But again, I ride these bikes for a living. I do this every day. So I've kind of gotten used to it. I find it comfortable now. It's the very tall GSs and all that I'm like, please मुझे माफ करो भैया. नहीं.
अरे एक मिनट, प्राइस तो नहीं बताया, प्राइस बताओ यार.
Oh yes, of course. अरे मैंने बोला था ना बीच में कि 18 लाख की बाइक है. This is 18 lakhs on road, and I think it's a pretty good price for a motorcycle that is this kind of monstrosity. So the conclusion of this exercise with the ZX-10R is that I love it. I love it so much. I love it over, I think, most big bikes, liter class bikes that I have ridden to date. And this is meant to take to the racetrack. I want to take it to the racetrack so bad. And I know that I will suck at it for the first few laps for pretty much half the day, I think. And then I'll start really enjoying myself. Also, we got like a new mic system. It's Rode and all, like it's wireless and stuff, so you're not going to see me wrapped around wires coming through like the last few videos. This is all thanks to my dear boy Rishad Modi, who gifted me this for my birthday. Only 4 months late he gave birthday gift, but आया तो I am like very grateful. Thank you Rishad Modi for sponsoring this beautiful Rode mic for us. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. बहुत प्यार से बनाया है तो जाके subscribe करो. We are now at 70,000 subs, which is really great. Thank you for the love. We gotta hit better heights and gotta make this channel grow and this community grow, because women on motorcycles are awesome. Like the video, subscribe, share, and I'll see you soon. अरे बाइक कौन लेके जाएगा? मेरी मम्मी हैं? हट बाय बड़ी हैवी है पर ठीक है.